This is our 2019 Bentley Continental GT. It's in a fantastic colour, Glacier white, which I think suits this car beautifully. Just shows off all the haunches and lines, all those sexy curves, the muscle. It's just perfect. Now this particular one is pretty much loaded with most of the packs that you could get. So it's got the Blackline packs. You can see here you've got the black grille, the black inserts here, the black round the headlights, and then also the gloss black here as well. You got that lovely 12 for the 12-cylinder engine. You get the gloss black window surrounds, tops and bottoms of the door handles, and then the same round the back. You get the gloss black exhausts, trims, and the trim round the bumper. So the Blackline pack really makes it stand out, in my opinion. You've also got on this one, you've got the Touring pack, you've got the Centenary pack, you've got the Mulliner pack. Mulliner pack probably being the most desirable, which gives you that very special interior with the special quilting, the embroidery, etc. This one's also got the white contrast stitching option. It's a very, very special car. So obviously this is the top of the range 6-litre W12 with over 600 horsepower. Phenomenal bit of kit, loads of power, but also the ultimate cruiser. A very comfortable place to spend a long time in without feeling drained at all. Really is a superb car. This is a one-owner car, supplied by Bentley Birmingham just over a year ago to its first owner. It's just had a service earlier this year by the same supplying dealer. There's 2 keys, as you'd expect, and of course there's the 2 tracker fobs as well. There's a book pack. There's a courtesy pack in the boot section, so everything's there exactly as you'd expect it to be. It's in beautiful condition. It's unmarked, as you'd expect. All the wheels are unmarked. These are the optional gloss black with the polished edge finish, and you can see this detail here where the second spoke actually curves back into the wheel rather than finishing flush, which is quite unusual. Very, very nice. You've got the Bentley caliper there, Pirelli P0 tyres all the way around, and the same on here. You've got these beautiful centre caps with a gold banding, and then those huge 8-pot calipers at the front. They are enormous, with dinner plate size brake discs behind them. What a machine. Having driven this car, I can say it's definitely one of the ultimate everyday cruisers that you can buy today in terms of comfort, specification, looks, power. It just does everything very, very well. I'd say it's more of a grand tourer than a performance car. But then again, if you are considering a Bentley Continental, that's what you're buying it for. Because if you wanted a supercar, you'd buy this Lamborghini here behind me. That's available as well, just FYI. So let's go round the inside. You've obviously got a adjustable spoiler here that you can raise up and down from the central screen. If we press the Bentley B logo here, that raises the tailgate. Really good sized boot. That central section you can drop down from the inside, so if you want to put something long in, you can. Under here you've got your your locking wheel nut toolkit and your space saver. Sorry, not your space saver, your tyre inflation kit. You've got 2 buttons here, one to close and lock. Going on to the interior compartment. So starting with the back, you've got this beautiful, we'll just pull that and that'll automatically make the seat go forward. You've got these two individual seats at the back which you can fit someone in, no problem, as long as you don't put your seat too far back. You've got this beautiful embroidery here of the Bentley logo with the white stitching and the Mulliner quilting. Looks superb. Everything's got white stitching and chrome. Not one surface has been left untouched to show bare plastic. Everything's very, very nicely finished and engineered. It's really a pleasure. You've got the window switch there, you've got this chrome surround and the stitching. In here you've got your cup holders and 12-volt sockets and 5-volt sockets. That central compartment will actually drop down to give you the full access to something long from the boot. See there, that's all finished in brushed stainless for the seat belt. So I'll just push this seat back and that'll move back. You can also do it with these buttons here. Some lovely chrome trim here on the head with really nice detail there, and the white stitching looks fantastic. And again with the Bentley logo here and the Mulliner driving pack. It's got the comfort seat pack as well. The seats have got multiple different massage options and multiple different adjustments. That's your massage button. But yeah, it's fantastic. Got the stainless pedals with the Bentley logo. Got the handcrafted by Bentley Motors Limited and Crew here, and then the 1919 Bentley 2019 plaque here. Speakers, you've got two in each door. White stitching, everything's covered in soft leather, which is soft to the touch. You've got the memory settings on both doors and your tailgate release. This lovely gloss black and chrome. Looks absolutely fantastic. Now even the door pull inside here, you can see the reflection there, is actually knurled finish for that extra bit of grip. Just little details like that that take this Bentley to the next level. Windows finishes all in lovely chrome. Power folding heated wing mirrors, of course. What a fantastic place to be. Right, let's move on to the inside. First of all, as I come in the car, you can see there the seatbelt arm that presents the seatbelt to you for ease of selection. Then that retracts. You can see here you've also got the lovely piano black gloss trim finish with a chrome insert all the way around. That continues from the doors and the dash. Again, a really nice bit of detailing there. And then the same with the stitching on the dash there, it follows through onto the door. You've got this black leather headlining, perforated. Lovely. The lights here. Sun visors, etc. What I love about this is just the attention to detail. So the knurled finish on the dial here, and then the engine start stop, and then you've got the same knurled finish here. And then look at this, beautifully finished, again with that knurled finish with a gold banding just to match the wheel center caps, and then chrome there. It's really beautifully done. It's just a pleasure to use the same on all these controls. Really, really nice. Just, little things like that, and the stitching on the steering wheel just makes it a very, very special place to be. So the screen, the main dash is all digital. You can switch between your Bentley Assist views, night vision, radio, phone, map, and then you can select view if you want to make the map bigger. You can change different things here depending on what you want to see. Here you've got this has got the touring packs. You've got adaptive cruise control and lane assistance. You can see there the lane assist button. So it's pretty much got every single driving option you could need. There's a head-up display there which shows pretty much everything you need to see. There's also the blind spot assist there in the mirrors, which flashes up orange if a car's in your blind spot. You've got automatic lights, heated steering wheel. The steering wheel, of course, is adjustable electronically. Got cup holders here, beautifully damped lid. Got one key here with me in the car. That same knurled finish on the key edges like on everything else. And then in here, even the matting has got that diamond quilted effect, and so does the 12-volt socket have the knurled finish. Really nice. This armrest slides as well, so if you do want to make it, you do want to push it forward or backwards, you can do. You've got heated and cooled seats on both sides, of course. Dual zone climate control. You've got actual heated windscreen with heating elements in it. You've got park assistance, so the car will actually look for a space to park itself. Can do that for you, make it nice and simple. You can raise and lower the spoiler here. And these air vents have got this beautiful pulls, just like the old-fashioned toggles of old. Really, really nice to use. Now, going on to the main screen, let's press home. You've got your Bentley drive select, so you can select from Sport, which is in now, to Bentley, to Comfort, to Custom, and obviously you can then further change things there. For example, you can raise the suspension, change the perimeters of the head-up display and night vision, intelligent coasting if you want it to switch off cylinders to save fuel, blind spot assist, Bentley safeguard, etc. You can do all that there. I'll switch on there when I press that, you see. And that is pretty much it on that side of things, but let's go a little bit more, give you a brief overview of the menu. So you've got things like, of course, your navigation. You've got media, and you can obviously choose different sources of playback, whether it's DAB, Bluetooth, jukebox, auxiliary, etc. Phone, of course, car. You can choose sport for the spoiler, in which case I'll raise the spoiler there, as you can see. So you can do it from these buttons down here or from here. Tire pressure monitoring, settings, you can adjust everything on here. You can adjust the massage type, you can have different types of massage, and then you can also adjust the intensity of the massage as well. So pretty clever stuff. There's loads of different assistance options on here. So you've got park distance control, you've got Bentley safeguard, night vision, blind spot assist, lane assist, adaptive cruise control, LED matrix, high beam assist. The car, you can actually let the car individually turn on and off LEDs within each individual light cell to not blind cars in front, but also give you the maximum visibility outside. It's very clever, and it works very, very well. Climate control, your apps, sound, settings, that can all be changed here. So loads of different menus to play around with there. There's also shortcuts for these these menus here. But it is just a fabulous place to be in and to use on a day-to-day basis. And that is pretty much it, folks. That's our 2019 Bentley Continental. We do, of course, offer fantastic finance packages. We can do deferred deposit, we can do PCP, LP, we do all sorts of different packages to suit yourself. We do, of course, offer nationwide delivery to your door, and we do, of course, offer part exchange. So should you have any further inquiries, please don't hesitate to give me a call, email or text. It's Eli at Kingsbridge, and speak to myself or one of our members of our team, and we'll be very happy to assist you on this car. Look forward to hearing from you. Thank you very much for watching. Good night.